For the first time, men and women have collectively agreed that Angel Reese was tripping when she got fouled by Caitlin Clark, even though Angel Reese caused the first foul. You see, after Angel Reese fouled Shotty trying to get the ball, but Shotty ain't getting mad, the minute Caitlin Clark reached for that ball, she want to flop to the floor and try to throw hands. Like, what you trying to throw hands for? Then when you look up close and personal, you see it was a basic foul. They gave her a flagrant foul for this. How? That baby had foul, bro. You about to throw hands and crash out about that foul? Not to mention, she hit the ball. You decide to go flop over, trying to pull a LeBron James. No disrespect to the GOAT. But I'm happy that majority of men and women collectively agree on the internet that Angel just got a problem with Shotty for no reason at this point, bro. Like, now, it's just a one-sided beef. And Clark dropped a triple-double that game, too. Crazy. Angel ain't never been that serious, bro. You gotta chill. Y'all lost. Shotty gave y'all a triple-double. It is what it is.
So I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what side of the internet he lives on, but I know on TikTok, people had a lot to say, and it wasn't going in Caitlin's favor. I think the majority of the people that I've seen up under the comment or in the comment section was actually saying they were playing a race car. You know what I mean? And at like a first glimpse or whatever, like when I seen this particular video, I can see why some people would have thought that Caitlin Clark was wrong. Hear me out, right? Because this is the clip that they continue to show. They didn't show the entire play. So they just showed this or whatever. And I was like, maybe, sort of, kind of. I was like on the fence about it. It could technically be a little bit extra because even though Caitlin looked like she went for the ball, it looked like it was a little bit extra, like an up and down movement. If you zoom in or whatever, it was like she went for the ball and then it was maybe. Now, I'm not saying that Angel Reese didn't seem like she was flopping and being extra because I think that it was a little bit of acting that was put into that. But after further review, I had to do a little bit of digging. It's so crazy, but I had to do a little bit of digging because when I looked up Caitlin Clark, Angel Reese, altercation or whatever, this clip kept coming up. But when I finally got a chance to check out the entire clip, this is what I seen.
And look out, Caitlin Clark pushes Angel Reese, and Angel Reese gets right up into Caitlin Clark.
Not bad. Now you.
Here's Clark firing and hitting.
There is that triple-double. Again, I did not see the entire clip, but the fact that Angel Reese looked like she put an elbow to another person's back or neck and the ref didn't call it, and Caitlin Clark was like, yo, you didn't see that? Okay, cool. You fouled my player, I'm gonna foul you. Now, again, I'm not saying that it was like any malicious intent behind that thing, but I will say I understand. This is my teammate. This is somebody that I'll ball with, I'm cool with, or whatever. And I don't know in what league this right here is legal for you to put your forearm into somebody's back or neck. Like, no, that's not how you do it, man. And it wasn't called. And Caitlin Clark like, you know what? Okay, cool. We're going to do this. And then we're going to get back to the game. And I think that when it's all said and done, basketball is a competitive sport. So I actually like a little bit of the back and forth or whatever. Again, I'm not with that racist mess or whatever. Keep that up out of it. But ain't nothing like a little simmer, a little fire behind something, you know what I'm saying, to get them doggone juices flowing. But when things like that happen, you still need to be able to focus. You need to still be able to perform, because Caitlin Clark, after this incident, went on to put on a triple double. She dropped 20 on them. And under no circumstances should you allow anybody to get you off your square, and that's male or female. If you are an athlete, then this comes with the territory. You should already know people are going to do things that's going to get you up off your game or whatever, but you still got to be able to maintain. So after looking at that clip, I'm just going to say I completely understand. You know what I mean? I don't think that this honestly deserved a flagrant foul. I think that this was just pretty much a regular foul, but it wasn't nothing like, I think she pushed Angel Reese down on the ground or anything like that. She went down like this. I'm trying to figure out how the heck, no push. She went down like this. I don't understand how in the world you fall forward when somebody, it just don't make any sense to me. But I would absolutely love to hear from you guys. I know we're going to get some people down in the comments. You know what I'm saying? The black and the black. Stop. The people that always try to make this thing out of a race thing. I know we're going to get some of those people down in the comments. And listen, I'm here for it. I'm always open to the possibility that I'm wrong. And if I am, drop it down in the comments and we can talk about it. All right? Until the next time. Y'all be blessed. Y'all be beautiful. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.